I had a cancelled passport and yet I traveled with it for 2 years. Got hit by a truck in Mexico, but I still kept going. Got lost in the Andes Mountains, suffered with hypothermia, but I still made it. Had no funds to travel more, but I still found ways for traveling more. And at times, I did not have a place to stay, but some angel would come and share their tent with me and give me food. I got clothes, shoes, food, the backpack, the laptop, and even the GoPro that I'm using right now for free. Am I the luckiest traveler alive? Probably not, but I'm still very lucky. Then what is luck? Luck is when opportunity meets preparation. If you're not prepared enough, you will not be able to seize the opportunity that comes your way. Let me also tell you guys this. I wasn't lucky enough when it came to exams or winning that lottery or running that business. I used to suffer a lot. I wanted to sit down and complain about how things don't go my way and someone else has it better than me. But when I started traveling, I started caring less for the things that I didn't have and started appreciating the things that I already possess. And after that, I realized that I did not want some of those things. This realization and understanding only comes after you start appreciating the place you are in and start preparing for the things you really want in your life. Sometimes you can't depend on luck at all. At the end of the day, no matter how hard the life gets, before you go to bed, you have to be grateful for where you are and for what you have achieved. And this might change the way you look at the situation. Hola, yo me llamo Paco, y soy de la India. See you next week for another story. And please do share in the comments how lucky have you felt. Ciao.